Welcome back. Today finally I am getting my houses and cars back. Right now I am going to the police station to pay the penalty and free all my assets. Here is my Mustang. Last day I didn't show properly. Today I will show you. Let's first take out the car in sunlight. Then you can see properly. Let's do the cold start. Now you can see properly the custom paint job and modifications. Now tell me, do you like it or not? I am driving this car for today only, because this car dynamic is not so good. Several times it's going out of control. As soon as I got my cars, I will repair them and drive on the road. So, I finally reached the police station. Let's park the car here. Not taking inside. And let's see what they will say. Feeling a little bit scared, because in the last few days I made a big mess. Let's go inside. Finally I am free now. They gave me a warning and said this is last time they are leaving me by a penalty. Next time I will go to jail. They said they have noted details of all my cars, so just a single mistake can take me to jail. And they said that I had driven a total of 4 cars. In this day, Chiron, Honda CS, G-Wagon and Supra, and they seized all cars. But they did not get the Supra. So I am laughing in my mind and said that I don't have Supra. I told them I don't know what you were talking about. But they don't know I had hidden Supra inside my house, because I know they will seize that car also. As I told you, this car is not so stable. See, I am driving very normally, but still I got a crash. Today is the last day I am driving this. Right now I am going to the house where the Chiron is parked. For many days I didn't see it. Let's see the condition of the car. I know it's not in condition. Tomorrow I will take some of the cars for repair. See, again, get out of control. I am done with this. Finally, here is our car. Fully broken. Looks like an abundant car. Full front is damaged. From back it's also damaged. Let's see if it will start or not. No, battery is dead. Can't see the condition of the car. I am giving the self with the accelerator. Then also it's not starting. Finally. I think I have to tow it to the workshop. Charging it for tomorrow. Lights, bonnet, bumper, everything will be changed. The car is so dirty as it's outside more than a week. Tomorrow I will make it perfect. Subscribe, share, comment, like.